In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 40mm wheel spacers on your Ford Explorer. Let's go. Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance so you could slope spare issues. Wheel spacers are also useful. Using wheel spacers is a cost-effective approach to increase the wheel track width without breaking your budget to buy a new set of expensive rims. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reached a tolerance of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the farthest. Besides, BONOSS provides ODM too. BONOSS provides customized service of special thickness, 3mm to 160mm. There are a lot of tools for your customized PCD conversion wheel adapter. The thread size, thickness, and bolt patterns can be customized according to you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.